Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and tap on the display. Now let's enter the advanced, and as you can see right under it actually we've got the screen timeout, so let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 10 minutes applied, this option is marked, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you would like to set. So I will pick 5 minutes for example, and as you can see here we've got the information that from now on after 5 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.